we are the members of the Environmental Care Ambassadors. I have a little speech to give. Then God created human being in his own image. In the image of God, he created them, male and female. Then the Lord God planted a garden in Eden in the east, and there he placed the man he had made. God has made us take care of our environment and make it look beautiful for cleanliness. For cleanliness is next to godliness.
I'm so glad God made me so wonderful and beautiful. In his image God made me so wonderful and beautiful. I'm so glad God made me so wonderful and beautiful. In his image God made me so wonderful and beautiful. We are the Environmental Care Ambassadors of Makori Baptist Church Group of Schools, and we want to admonish you, dear parents, about our role in leading people onto responsible care of God's creation. We want to motivate you to be obedient to the divine mandate towards God's creation. We want to encourage and motivate you to be motivated by love and peace, to be stewards of the environment where you live. We encourage you to be